This is an iconic 1952 Lionel trains. This is the Erie, PA FA diesel, number 2032. This is post-war Lionel at its best. It's got a single motor with magnet traction. That awesome paint scheme. This train here was my father's. He got this for Christmas in 1952. This was his. We drove to New York City one year to get it back in the 80s, and then he gave it to me as an adult. My brother and I played this as a kid back in the 80s. I mean, this thing's worked. I mean, it's just always worked. You just gotta clean them every once in a while and grease them, but that is it. You can hear that growl. It's like a panther. Take a look inside. Let's see if you can see inside. What's going on back there? The best part is the sound and smell of these trains. Once they warm up, they have a certain smell. It's like grease and 1950s trains, toy trains. That sound is so awesome. Yeah. If you like these kind of videos, subscribe. I have a ton of Lionels to go through and show, and you can maintain them together and talk about their awesome design and pulling power. Iconic toys from the 1940s and 50s. I only collect and get into the post-war Lionel. I know nothing about pre-war trains. So maybe I can learn from you if you know some pre-war train information. I always get stuck up there. I gotta clean that track, I think, in that corner. You hear it cooking. I'm using this little transformer. I have the big one. I forget what it's called. But for now, this is like a little in-house setup. Just to test these and make sure they're running properly. Love that sound. Black Panther, yeah. So that's a 1952 Lionel diesel. This is the Erie, PA, number 2032. And as always, thanks for checking in.